Hey, hello friends. Welcome to Jyotish, the Oceanic Science channel. And today I'm going to talk about the children's how to predict whether a chart is promising a child or not. So, and a lot of parent comes to me because today is time where a lot of parents do cesarean birth. So a lot of parent comes to me to know the time of the childbirth, whether it can be fixed or not. I just want to confess one thing that nobody, no astrologer can decide who will come at what time in this world and who will leave the world at what time. So we should not go ahead and predict the timing of the birth. So just want to figure out whether the chart is promising a child or not. So whenever we do a prediction, we see that from fifth house we determine the children, whether a person has been promised a child in the chart or not. So we have to check both horoscope, both parents' horoscope, and whether it's present in the female horoscope or not, and similarly whether it's promised in the male horoscope or not. So, if fifth house is affected with a malefic planet, suppose Rahu or Saturn is sitting in this fifth house, it will delay and deny the child. If there is a malefic aspect of a benefic planet, suppose if Jupiter is sitting here and it gives the seventh aspect to this house by seventh eye, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If Jupiter is giving seventh aspect, uh, then there will be a chance of childbirth. But if there is no benefic aspect of Mercury, Venus, or some benefic planet which uh, represent the childbirth. So if Saturn, Rahu, Ketu is aspecting this five and there is no benefic aspect, then it's very difficult to say whether this chart has a promise of the child. So if we try to determine the sex of the child, so we have categorized the planets in the three category. So Sun, Jupiter, and Mars is categorized as the male planet. Venus, Rahu, and Moon is categorized as a female planet. Now Ketu, Saturn, and Mercury is Enoch. So it's neither male nor female. So how many planets are aspecting this fifth house will determine the sex of the child. So suppose Sun is sitting here with Jupiter. If both are aspecting this house and Saturn is sitting here and is aspect this house with his third eye, so there are two aspects of a male planet and one aspect of a female planet, a planet which is not determined whether it's female or female, and this the sign lord is also a male planet. So there is a ratio of 2:1. So the probability of a childbirth in male is more. So similarly, if we see some benefic planet like Jupiter sitting here, so if Jupiter and Sun is sitting here, then this chart promises a male child. And the number of planet which is also aspecting this house also depends uh, the how many child or how many childbirth can happen. So in this way we can determine the sex of the child and also whether this chart is promising childbirth or not. Thank you so much for hearing this video. Please like my channel to get more updates on astrology.